Looking for a gas-powered broom that'll make your yard work a breeze? We've tested and ranked some of the best out there. Stay tuned to find out which one takes the crown. Kicking off our list is the Offabing Sweeper Broom XZZ914C. It lands in 5th place, not because it's a bad option, but because it simply doesn't stack up to the rest in terms of features and performance. If you're on a tight budget and just need a basic no-frills gas broom, this one might catch your eye. It comes equipped with a 43cc 2-stroke engine, which is standard across a few models in this review. You get a 23.6-inch brush width, which is decent for light yard work. Its walk-behind design gives it good mobility and ease of use, especially if you prefer not to deal with cords or batteries. Overall, it's compact and gets the job done for small to medium areas. But here's the catch, it lacks some key information and advanced features that could make a real difference, like fuel tank size or brush material. And while it's fine for sweeping dry leaves or dust, it struggles with heavier debris and doesn't have extras like an adjustable handle or safety gear. If you're just starting out and need a budget option for light sweeping duties around the yard or driveway, this could work. But if you're expecting heavy-duty results or pro-level features, hang tight, we've got stronger contenders coming up. And hey, if you want the best deal on this and all the products we cover today, just check out the links in the description below the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Bepritm Gas Power Broom. This one has a lot going for it, especially if comfort and long operation times are top priorities for you. It's not the most powerful unit on our list, but it's definitely a step up in terms of user-friendly design. The Bepritm features a wide 23.6-inch brush and an ergonomic handle that makes it comfortable to use over longer periods. The large fuel tank gives you extended runtime, so you won't be stopping to refill constantly. Its air-cooled engine and automatic clutch also make it feel smooth and responsive during operation. Compared to the Offabing, it's a noticeable upgrade in both build quality and performance. On the downside, its narrow rear wheels can sink into softer ground, which can be frustrating if you're working on muddy or uneven surfaces. And yes, like most models in this range, it comes disassembled, so be ready to spend some time putting it together out of the box. If you're someone who wants more comfort and longer runtime for medium-duty cleaning jobs, the Bepritm might just be your perfect match. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got more great gear reviews coming your way. Next up at number 3 is the BJT DLLX gas-powered broom. This is where we start getting into really practical, well-rounded tools that can handle most cleanup tasks around the house or job site. It stands out for its build quality and thoughtful extras. The BJT DLLX comes with an adjustable handle, making it a lot easier to customize for different users. The brush is sturdy and wide enough for efficient sweeping, and it includes helpful accessories like a mudguard and even protective goggles. With 2 large rear wheels and a front directional caster, maneuvering is smooth, even around tight corners or narrow spaces. Still, it's not perfect. You'll need to assemble it yourself, and like the Bepritm, it lacks a braking feature on the front wheel, which can be annoying on inclines or when you need to stop suddenly. But overall, the comfort and ease of use really puts this one ahead of the pack. This broom is great for anyone who wants a solid, reliable tool for regular use, without going overboard on price or complexity. Sliding into 2nd place is the CBH FML JD 43cc 2-stroke broom. And honestly, it checks a lot of boxes for both DIY users and semi-pros alike. It builds on everything the BJT DLLX offers and tightens the screws, literally and figuratively. It features nearly the same dimensions and specs, but edges out with a slightly better brush design and added safety features. The materials used, aluminum, steel, and nylon, give it that extra toughness, and like the BJT DLLX, it includes goggles and a mudguard. The automatic clutch makes it smooth to operate, and its weight balance feels just right. Of course, it shares some of the same limitations. There's no brake on the front wheel, and assembly is required right out of the box. But for what it offers, those are small trade-offs. If you're looking for a tough, no-nonsense sweeper that can handle a variety of surfaces and comes ready with user protection gear, this is a fantastic option. You're really only one step away from the top. And finally, at number 1, we have the Enviller 24x9 EPA gas-powered sweeper. This thing is a beast, and not just because of the engine size. It's the only model in our roundup to offer a 52cc motor, delivering a whopping 2.4 horsepower. If raw power and speed are what you need, this is the one to beat. It's also the only EPA-compliant machine on the list, which is a big plus if you care about emissions or just want something more efficient. The rubber brush handles everything from snow to gravel to wet leaves without missing a beat. It's lightweight, detachable, and super easy to carry, especially if you're working in different locations or loading it into a truck. Drawbacks? Well, you'll need to get used to the manual pull start. And yes, assembly is still required, but that's pretty standard across this category, and the pros here far outweigh the cons. This is the ultimate pick for pros, heavy-duty users, or anyone who wants to invest in one tool that does it all. It's powerful, portable, and built to handle whatever you throw at it. Want to get your hands on one of the top gas-powered brooms we covered today? Check out the links in the description below for the best prices on every product. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear guides just like this. Thanks for watching!